Hi, good afternoon. This is Joe Rivas, and I am recording my semester project for Programming Fundamentals 3 under the direction of Professor Wu at South Texas College. Um, and it is using labs 2 through 7 that I created throughout the semester. So we start with option 1, which is program 2, lab 2, my bad. So 1, and this is using template classes. Mm, it displays a minimum value for int array and max value, as well as generates a password-like string using letter characters and numbers, um up to 8 characters. Now you can specify what you want to increase the length of the string output for the password-like array, uh, password-like string. So this is h h the header file, and program 2 is going to be using lab 3. Now it does specify a starting point, so you can put, let's say we put 15. This is using Kalat's algorithm, or Kalat's sequence, also known as N3 plus 1 algorithm. So I believe here, where are you? And then we go into program 2, what we did, program 2, now program 3, enter. This is using insertion sort and selection sort, uh, advanced sorting algorithms in C++. Uh, these are its files, its implementation and header files, and these are its functions. Let's see. We have online line 178. It's missing a few more stuff that I have added, but I may have not included the CPP file. So next, we move on to program option 4. Enter. Here we are using the fstream header, in which case implementing only the read mode. So we go into this student .txt file. It's reading from these lines. Normally this is called a CSV file, I believe. Um, and we can also have the ability to read from a JSON file, of which you are able to modify the specifications of read and write mode. And this, so we want to change it to CSV. We can change it right here on line 13 of the records underscore sorter.cpp. Um, Now, these programs are very picky about leading spaces and trailing spaces, white spaces. So it's very important that you do delete any spaces that you did put in between the words separated by commas, unless you otherwise specify that you in the program of what to do if characters are found separated from one another. Um, this is gonna be used. One would be option 1, program 4, enter. We sort these, we load these students, we load the student file into um, what we're viewing. Two, excuse my lack of, two in this case. So we go into this CSV text file, and it just views the data as it is. So three, it does quick sort. So this is also called advanced sorting algorithms, or bubble sort, selection sort, and an insertion sort. Enter. Four. So here we start with it already merged sort. Four. Enter. And five. Enter. Oh, let's say we go back to two. So it was unsorted, but now because we sorted them, it keeps them like that. Like I said, mentioned, we are not using the ability to write back into the file. So as you're gonna keep them in cache, and clear them out of the terminal when we're done. So now we go 5 to exit. Then we can go in. So now we're going to list nodes, I believe. In this case, it will be program 5. So this goes also through another text file called grades.txt. Now, in the file itself, the grades are unsorted in different lines, and we do specify what we want to do with these values. Uh, let's see, this is already a different one. I believe I included all these functions in the main.cpp program by grades.txt on line 252. And also, you can also change it to CSV, whatever you prefer to work with. Mm, this was a bit tough in the beginning of my first, something I always wanted to do in programming fundamentals one, that I wasn't, that it took me until programming fundamentals two to be able to learn, since it is mostly found outside of the scope of a college classroom. Maybe I am wrong with that data, but uh, I didn't see it too much. I did see it in this class as a requirement, but prior to that, I did not see it as much. Um, so then we're going to put program 6, enter. This one is using a text-based game. So we're going to put, my name is Joe. It prompts you for your name. Um, so we'd say I want to go north. So this program is found on lines 291 through the end, I believe. Oh, through 396. And it is using the node.cpp and and the header file, node implementation and node header files. Then we put north again. You do have to find four items, four treasures, to be able to win the game. Now, you were able to win the game a little prior to me using more nodes, at which point I lost chain of thought. Um, and then west. So I know that there's an ability to be able to use AI prompts to um, increase your efficiency while writing programs. But there's a lot of things that enter choice kills you. So run again. This is uh this is my CPP file, my main file, um, and I really appreciate your time and diligence um, for grading my assignments and for the opportunity to have crossed paths with you. Um, Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to learn what I did in the Google course. That is it was painful, but thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future. This is almost done. Bye bye.